Looking for a powerful and lightweight brushless motor for your drone? The ViDiUAV 1303 is your perfect match. With a jaw-dropping 8000 kV rating and an impressive output of 800 NU, this motor is designed for high-performance racing and aerial photography drones. Whether you're existing setup or starting fresh, this motor is compatible with various models. Ensure you get the best performance out of your aircraft. ViDiUAV 303 DC Outrunner Brushless motor, 11,500 1000 kV 800 NU, 33.3 G3 for S waterproof brushless motor for drone, permon, and magnet. Lightweight and compact, weighing just 33.3 G. This motor is ideal for those who need agility and speed. Its compact size of max 15.5 means you can easily fit into smaller frames without compromising on power. Durable construction, made with high temperature resistant copper and a permanent magnet construction. The ViDiUAV 303 is built to last. The waterproof design ensures that you can fly in various weather conditions without fear. Versatile applications, perfect for not just drones, but also boats, cars, electric bikes, fans, and smart home devices. This motor adapts to your needs, making it a versatile choice for all your electric toy requirements. With a 9-net 12-piece lot pole configuration and a 5mm output shaft, the performance of this motor is simply unmatched. It features a single strand winding mode for enhanced efficiency, ensuring you get the most power with less energy. This means longer flight times and more fun. As a leading manufacturer in the drone accessory industry, Dongguan VID is High Technology Co. Limited is committed to delivering high-quality products at competitive prices. Our motors are designed not only to meet but exceed customer expectations. Plus, with a 12-month warranty, you can fly confidently knowing you're covered. When installing, ensure you check the compatibility with your drone model for optimal performance. Pair this motor with a high-capacity battery 3 for S recommended to fully unleash its power. Don't miss out on enhancing your drone experience. For wholesale or retail inquiries, contact us via WhatsApp PPW eChat ITSKIS 13,650,009,452 or email us at salesvidiuav.com. Delivery time is approximately 10-20 days, ensuring you get your motor quickly.